Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learn English with Monideepa. Today we will learn normal English versus advanced English. Number 1, keep it a secret. Keep it a secret. In advanced English we say keep it under wraps. Keep it under wraps. Number 2, I like you a lot. In advanced English we say I'm so into you. I am so into you. Number 3, you are so lucky. In normal English we say you are so lucky. In advanced English we say you are so jammy. You are so jammy. Number 4, in normal English we say I'm very tired. I am very tired. In advanced English we say I am worn out. I am worn out. Number 5, how are you? How are you? In normal English. In advanced English we say how is it going? How is it going? Number 6, in normal English we say stop wasting time. Stop wasting time. In advanced English we say stop faffing around. Stop faffing around. Number 7, in normal English we say let's meet today. Let's meet today. In advanced English we say let's catch up today. Let's catch up today. Number 8, good luck brother. Number 8, in normal English we say good luck brother. In advanced English we say break a leg bro. Break a leg bro. Number 9, in normal English we say are you mad? Are you mad? In advanced English we say are you out of mind? Are you out of mind? Number 10, in normal English we say I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry. In advanced English we say I am starving. I am starving. Number 11, in normal English we say it's time to study. It's time to study. In advanced English we say it's time to hit the books. It's time to hit the books. Number 12, in normal English we say it's very cold outside. In advanced English it's freezing outside. It's very cold outside in normal English. In advanced English it's freezing outside. Number 13, in normal English I am fit and healthy. In advanced English we say I am fit as a fiddle. I am fit as a fiddle. Number 14, I am very busy. In normal English I am very busy. In advanced English I am swamped. I am swamped. Number 15, in normal English we say I am bit busy. I am bit busy. In advanced English we say I am bit tied up. I am bit tied up. Number 16, can I come tomorrow? In normal English, can I come tomorrow? In advanced English, can I drop in tomorrow? Can I drop in tomorrow? Last one for today. Number 17, I eat balanced and healthy meal. In normal English, I eat balanced and healthy meal. In advanced English, we say I eat a square meal. I eat a square meal. So, we have done today normal English versus advanced English. I'll repeat it once again. Normal English, keep it a secret. Advanced English, keep it under wraps. Normal English, I like you a lot. I like you a lot. Advanced English, I'm so into you. Normal English, you are so lucky. Advanced English, you are so jammy. Number 4, normal English, I am very tired. Advanced English, I am worn out. Next, normal English, how are you? Advanced English, how is it going? Normal English, stop wasting time. Advanced English, stop faffing around. Normal English, let's meet today. Advanced English, let's catch up today. Normal English, good luck, brother. Advanced English, break a leg, bro. Normal English, are you mad? Advanced English, are you out of mind? Normal English, I am very hungry. Advanced English, I am starving. Normal English, it's time to study. Advanced English, it's time to hit the books. Normal English, it's very cold outside. Advanced English, it's freezing outside. Normal English, I am fit and healthy. Advanced English, I am fit as a fiddle. Normal English, I am very busy. Advanced English, I am swamped. Normal English, I am bit busy. Advanced English, I am bit tied up. Normal English, can I come tomorrow? Advanced English, can I drop in tomorrow? Normal English, I ate balanced and healthy meal. Advanced English, I eat a square meal. That's all we have for today. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and comment. Your comment inspires me and adds value to my channel. So please comment in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. Sorry that I couldn't upload any video for a number of days, for the last few days, because I was not in a state of mind to do so after the RG Kar incident. Until and unless the criminals get punished, we all the people of Bengal, I suppose, all the people of West Bengal, all the people of Kolkata, and throughout the country, people are protesting against this. So we need justice. We need justice. That's the thing we want. And so I was really upset and couldn't upload any video, and thought that I should do one today, because there are viewers who watch my video, who like my video, who comment to me personally for uploading videos. Thank you so much for your love that you shower on me, on my videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.